Stop throwing your money away on those $8 dairy-free pints. You're just paying for water and gums. I'm going to show you how to make a high-protein, custard-thick ice cream for less than $1.50 a serving. And we're not using a single banana. And you won't want to miss the secret ingredient that makes this possible. We're making 2 vibrant spring flavors, but stay until the end for a bonus surprise recipe. It's the ultimate decadent reward for sticking to our budget. For the full recipe, go to my website. The link is in the description below. Most days we cook for survival, but because we've been so disciplined on our budget, we've earned this reward. I'm just using the thick cream from the top of a can of coconut milk. We want that rich ice cream texture. But don't throw away the liquid, save the rest for a smoothie or other recipes. Our secret to that luxury texture, silken tofu. When you blend this with frozen fruit and just the right ingredients, it turns into a smooth, rich, almost custard-like ice cream. No tofu taste, just creaminess and protein. Next is a berry blast. It's light, bright, and perfect for the new season. This one might honestly be my favorite. It's super creamy, packed with protein, and still tastes like real dessert. The berry flavor is so refreshing too. And look at this texture. It's thick, smooth, and creamy, and you would never guess this is dairy-free. My kitchen is finally coming back to life as we rebuild. One of you sent me this Ninja blender for my wish list, and even a toy for Blue. To see him happy and this kitchen filling up, words cannot express. You're not just sending tools, you're helping me build a home. And for that, I am grateful. Now for the surprise. This is my cherry cheesecake ice cream. I'm using Biscoff cookies because that's all I had in the pantry, but you can use graham crackers or vanilla wafers. And we're also using vegan cream cheese for that cheesecake base. This is how you celebrate winning on a budget. I'm cooking the cherries down until they get nice and jammy because it gives you those real cherry cheesecake swirls throughout the ice cream. Mashing the cherries a little helps release their natural pectin so the sauce thickens into a perfect jammy texture. And honestly, the flavor gets so much richer this way. While the cherry filling cools, I'm making a cheesecake base with silken tofu, cream cheese, vanilla, and a little sweetener. This combo makes it super creamy and gives it that real rich cheesecake flavor. I like layering the ice cream instead of mixing everything together all at once. It gives you little pockets of cherry and cookies all throughout the ice cream, kind of like a real slice of cheesecake. Pop this into the freezer for about 1 to 2 hours so it can set up. The texture gets super creamy, thick, and just like real scoopable ice cream. Okay, this one is ridiculously good. It's creamy, tangy, and packed with cherry flavor. And honestly, it tastes like real cherry cheesecake straight from the ice cream shop. Let's see how we did. We just made 3 luxury batches for less than the cost of 2 store pints. The community we built here on YouTube means everything to me. But as many of you remember, just a few weeks ago, this channel was hijacked. We lost touch for a long, hard week, and honestly, to think of that happening again really terrifies me. That's exactly why I'm inviting you to join me on Substack. It's a personal space where I share plant-based recipes, quiet life updates, and behind-the-scenes actions. It's a direct way to stay connected on a more personal and unfiltered way. Thank you for cooking with me, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.